I'm gonna see. Okay, it's quite windy. And let's circle around the mount first. So we have 16 minutes of battery time. I'm just gonna hover and glide and show you guys the amazing Mount Krakatoa. Okay, it's quite windy, we still have signal. Oh, the view is amazing. High wind velocity. The DJI Avata can handle that. 500 meters, 550 meters. Whew. My heart is beating fast. My heart is pumping really fast. We're still getting signal on the Starlink router. Okay, I'm losing signal. What's wrong? I lost signal. Okay. I should have, had this drone, but I didn't. So I think that's the connection fail lagi saya. Apa sih? Dia tengah fly habis lose. Tadi. What the hell? Kan depan sikit, jadi dia punya signal kena dengan depan. Oh, good. Ya, aku dengar. Sana siap update home point. Feel safe RTH. Okay, this sucks, man. Apa yang tadi kita? Okay, we lost transmission, which sucks. I hate that when it happens. But lucky we update the home point. If not, I am gonna lose another drone. So, yeah, we lost transmission earlier just now. But lucky I updated the home point. Okay, I'm gonna continue.